The device inventory shows all the devices in the system. Typing in the search bar filters the devices. Selecting a device displays its information. Selecting the pencil icon allows you to add a tag to a device. You can also delete a device from the device inventory screen. Clicking on the scanners icon in the left navigation pane narrows the view to only scanners. In this screen, you can select a scanner to display its status. You can locate the scanner with flashing LEDs and beeping, reboot the scanner, and delete the scanner from this system. Clicking on the printers icon in the left navigation pane narrows the view to only printers. In My Printers, you can see the printer information, calibrate the printer, print a configuration label, reset the printer, and more. Clicking on the computers icon in the left navigation pane narrows the view to only mobile computers. In My Computers, you can see the mobile computer information, reboot a device, lock a device, reset a passcode, and more. Select the Home icon in the left navigation pane to return to the device inventory.